Yo, today, the Air Jordan 4 Breds did not shock drop, man. What does this mean? And could we still potentially see a shock drop here in the near future? Let's talk about it in today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. I had to sit down for this one, bro. Had to sit down for this one. Probably one of them times where, everybody relied on, information from sneaker YouTubers, i.e., for another example for what I'm talking about now is Sneakers Day. You remember what happened for Sneakers Day? We got a Sneakers Day, but we didn't get any of the shoes that we expected to get or what was rumored to drop. And everybody came at us like, oh, you YouTubers are lying. Y'all don't know nothing about sneakers. But at the end of the day, bro, we just go based off majority of some of our reliable sources seeing what they potentially see Nike bringing back out. Most of the stuff is 100% solid. And some of the stuff is like one of those, 80-20 type thing as far as getting information from different cook groups, from reliable sources, or even Nike themselves throwing up like a little teaser asking what you guys want more in exclusive access or a shock drop for a certain sneaker. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. We got a lot to talk about, so let's get into it. All right, guys, if you do not remember, I dropped a video like 2-3 days ago, and I said, yo, what if we do not get a shock drop over these Air Jordan 4 Breds Reimagined? And I pretty much was like, yo, nothing is confirmed yet. It's a lot of rumors up in the air like, yo, we might get it this day, we might get it that day, but it was never nothing solid. And I knew it was kind of bad when, usually last year when there was a shock drop, when exclusive access, our sources were on it, bro. Like, they told us, we let you guys know y'all appreciate it, y'all love the information, but they got a little tricky this year when it was like, you know what, we might get it this week, we might get it this day, and then you come throughout this whole week, the first week or the first day of February, and you didn't see nothing. It was like literally crickets from Nike. And I kind of suspected we would not get a shock drop this week, or not even on the 1st of February, due to the fact that it's a lot of shoes that did drop on the Sneakers App today. I mentioned that in my video, but the reason why I said it won't happen Thursday, or why I wouldn't think it would happen Thursday, is because it is 3 other releases that day. 3 major releases, I would say, from Nike. And I don't see them, foreshadowing those 3 sneakers for the Air Jordan 4 Breds. I think they kind of mess up their money at the end of the day. I know a lot of you guys remember me saying that. I might put a little clip in here. I said, yo, if they do it any day, it might be, either, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or like a Friday type thing. I know I just said a whole bunch of days in a week, but I pretty much said like, yo, it's nothing confirmed. It does not look too great for Nike to drop it on a Thursday due to all the other releases. And y'all see here today, man, hey, still no shock drop. So like I said earlier in the video, people are gonna be coming to the video saying, yo, you lie, y'all sneaker YouTubers don't know nothing, but that's not the case at all. I'm solely giving you guys information of what I've heard, what I've seen in different groups, what I've seen on Twitter, Instagram, what some of my sources telling me. And like I said, even leading up to this day, I said, bro, it's nothing confirmed yet, just a lot of speculation, a lot of assumptions, which I didn't say was 100% wrong, and I didn't say it was 100% right, just due to the fact that Nike can literally do anything they want, bro. They can shock drop these things while y'all watching this video. And somebody mentioned in the comments saying like, yo, y'all talking about all the shock drop, Nike probably be watching y'all videos and say, you know what, we want shock drop it. But I highly doubt that, bro, because even Nike themselves let people know 15-20 minutes for a shock drop, letting you know what's about to happen, man. So I don't think us talking about it is altering the date or changing the shock drop for any particular sneaker. This can be all solely based off what Nike wants to do. We haven't got a shock drop yet. We haven't got a crazy Jordan Reserve. Even though we did get a Jordan Reserve, it's more on the weak side because we got the Cherry 12s and we got the Gratitude 11s and the Napolitan Women's Exclusive 11s. And all those shoes are still super easy to get. And if I'm not mistaken, the Gratitudes and the Napolitans are still going for right around retail. So that kind of hints at 1 or 2 things. There's a lot of returns back to Nike. They're going to be all in the outlets. And Nike just want to get some pairs out of their warehouse, out the stock room, and make a couple of dollars. So pertaining to the Bred Air Jordan 4s, like I said, man, they ain't dropping them today. They can drop them any day now. So I know y'all like, yo, is it still going to happen? Bro, at this point, who knows, man? I just like come up on here talking to you guys, let you know what's going on, give you guys the latest 411, let you know what's popping, bro, what's going on. I had to drop today's video because, bro, people were literally coming at everybody. Like last year when we was right, y'all loved us, and now we fast forward to 2024 for the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, and no shock drop happened now. Like, yo, I don't like them no more. But it is what it is, man. You guys can unsubscribe if you want to. But at the end of the day, bro, I try to bring you guys the latest and greatest information on what's going on, what's popping. So if a shock drop was to come into place, you guys will be notified. And I do want to direct some of you guys to the comments I see today. So I put over on the YouTube community, I said, go, go, go for the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. It changed February 1st into April 1st. April Fools, and everybody was literally like, yo, y'all had my heart racing, almost had a heart attack, all type of stuff. And that kind of speaks a volume on how wanted these Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined are. Like, do not think that just because you didn't get a shock drop or people are mad because I'm doing videos over this shoe that they're not wanted. This is still a highly anticipated shoe, and without this shock drop, that might have messed a lot of things up as far as the resale value, because usually after a shock drop for a particular sneaker, especially like these right here, the resale will drop tremendously. But if I can remember, you know what I'm saying, last year, I don't think that the white cement Reimagined were going for near $400 in any size right around the release date. And these dropped February 17th, and they're still sitting at the high 300s. You got some pairs sitting in the $400 price range. So if Nike was not to shock drop these or doing exclusive access or something of that sort, then that will mean that the resale value will stay high, and people like botters might try to take advantage and capitalize off of, you know, the fact that it ain't a shock drop. People still want pairs. And like I said, this is a highly, highly anticipated sneaker. I can still see these things going for around $320, $330 after release date if we don't get a shock drop, bro. I know that 500,000 pair is getting floated around there, which that ain't even confirmed. Like, I haven't seen no stock numbers for that 550,000 pairs they said are made for these right here. So it can literally be 200,000. Like, who knows, bro, at this point. And I just want to be straight 100% honest with you guys, let you know what is going on, and hopefully on the release date, or even hopefully before the release date, you guys get a pair via shock drop, exclusive access. And we even gonna see what happens with Finish Line and JD Sport. Are they gonna do exclusive access? Who knows, bro? So I appreciate everybody for tapping in today's video. I know I said a lot, but if you didn't take anything else I said away from this video, just know that we bring you guys, or I'm gonna speak for myself, I bring you guys the latest and greatest information, let you guys know what's up. So in the event that it is a shock drop, I'll put you guys on, because I want everybody to have a fair chance of hitting a pair for retail and to get a pair early for retail, which is a plus. And also I want you to take away that I'm not saying that there won't be a shock drop. I'm just saying that, hey, they ain't shock drop today. I appreciate all the support, man. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop. And please leave a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all, and again, I apologize for the April Fool's joke and had everybody heart racing for the shock drop. Hey, I love y'all, it's all love, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.